Hey everyone, welcome back to a special midnight edition of Gluten Groceries. Tonight I'm going to teach you the secret to staying on your gluten-free diet when you're out in a restaurant, at a birthday party, and somebody orders dessert or offers you a piece of cake. Just say no. The secret to having the strength to say no is knowing that you can come back home and in 5 minutes, with less than 5 ingredients, whip yourself up a gluten-free molten lava chocolate mug cake to satisfy that craving. All right, guys, though, I warn you, with this great power comes great responsibility. Because it is so easy to make this, you are really gonna have to restrain yourself to not do this every single night. Trust me. Okay, guys, to make this chocolate lava mug cake, we are going to be using just under 2 ounces of dark chocolate. Now, I like to use dark chocolate because it doesn't have as much sugar, and therefore it's not gonna be as bad. So I'm just going to kind of give these a little crush here, and then put it in this Pyrex measuring cup. I would typically use like a cute mug, but I want you guys to be able to see what's going on inside here. Okay, now to that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter, so about this much. Now we're gonna go take this over to the microwave and melt it all together, which is gonna take about 30 seconds. It might be a little bit longer if your butter came straight from the fridge. Okay, now that this is all melted, we're going to just mix it together. Okay, next we're going to be adding 1 egg. Okay, whisk that together. I also like to add a little bit of salt here. My favorite flavor of chocolate to use is dark chocolate and sea salt. I didn't have that one today, I only had dark chocolate, so, but I typically add a little bit of salt either way. Okay, so the last ingredient, which is optional, is gluten-free flour. We're just gonna put a teaspoon in there to give it a little bit of structure. But like I said, this is optional. And I do mean like an actual teaspoon, not like a heaped teaspoon, but like an actual measurement of a teaspoon. So I'm just gonna sprinkle that in. I'm just gonna kind of push the sides of this down. It feels kind of like, well, it's batter basically. Now let's go put this back in the microwave for 35 seconds. So good. It's nice and spongy and moist and a little bit gooey in the center, just like I wanted out of a lava cake. The other thing I like to do when I'm really wanting to have something decadent is I will add a little bit of heavy cream to this cake. So it's kind of like giving you the feel of a la mode, but without all the sugar. It just gives that like creamy vibe, and it kind of like cuts through the bitterness of the dark chocolate. So good. And I love that this is mostly egg-based, because it's like kind of high protein too. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps you. I hope it helps you to say no when you are in those situations where people are offering you sweets that contain gluten. It's not worth it. Just say no, go home, make yourself a mug cake. All right? Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a good night. See you next time.